So I've noticed on everywhere, nobody has a way to make a card. So today I was gonna show everyone how to make a card. You don't need no scissors, you don't need to line out paper, you don't need to do any of that. I'm gonna show you a mess-free way where you can make a card. Take a piece of paper, fold it in half like this. Make sure everything is literally perfect. Like if you have a little edge that's off, fix it. Don't try to say, oh, well, I'm just gonna be late. No, fix it. All right, next, open it up. Make like an airplane shape. All right, this is important. Put this point down to the very edge. Perfectly. Not halfway, not fix it. All right, now that you got that, you take your piece of paper, you fold it like this. Okay? Now, what you want to do is you take this end and flip it like this. Then you take this edge over here to the left, and you want to just roll that in just like this. Make sure it's even though. You can't have anything off. Everything has to be perfectly level or it won't come out right. Trust me. Fix it. So, now you got that. So now what you want to do is you take this little piece right here and you just fold this in just a little bit, just a little triangle. Then take this part, make another triangle just like this, just halfway. You don't have to go real crazy with it. Just make it halfway there. And then take the whole piece of paper, you take this big end and put it in this little hole. Make sure this big fat part definitely goes in there. And then take this, stretch out as far as you want. Bam, bam, bam. Voila. You have your own card. It doesn't take any tape, any of that weird, crazy crap. And you can make as many cards as you want. I literally have 900 of these cards. Like, I have a bunch of them. There's an infinite amount of combinations you could do with the cards. You can see this isn't even labeled yet, but I have a bunch of cards. And I have literally 900 of them. So if you like my video, like, subscribe. Please do not say that you came up with this by yourself. I've looked, I've checked. Nobody has ever uploaded this video before. Don't even try it. I checked. And yeah, like, subscribe.